Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to fix the Microsoft Store not opening on Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a number of different fixes what we can try. So I'm going to start with the most common fix first. So fix number one is to check your internet connection. So basically the Microsoft Store needs a good internet connection to load. So we can go ahead and open up a web browser to check our connection. And now just do a search for check internet speed or connection, and then just run any one of these top results. And then if you've got a stable connection, that isn't the issue. But if you don't have a stable connection, or if it's very low, you might need to switch over from your Wi-Fi to mobile data, or try a different internet connection altogether. Now the next fix here is to go ahead and run a Windows Store troubleshooter. So Windows has a built-in fix tool, which is great for us. So what we need to do is click on search, type in settings, and then from there we need to find the systems tab on the left hand side. So click onto it, look for troubleshoot at the bottom of the page, and then click onto other troubleshooters. Now find the Windows Store apps. If you can't find it here, just do a search for Microsoft Store and then click on find and fix problems with Microsoft Store apps. And now little boxes are going to appear like so. Then from there, we want to go ahead and click on to next and just basically run this troubleshoot. It's going to detect any problems. If there are, they're going to fix them at the same time or give you suggestions how to fix them. Now, while we're inside of settings, another fix what we can do is repair or reset the app. So click on to apps on the left hand side, say the apps tab. On the right, we need to find installed apps and then find Microsoft Store. So we can scroll down and find it manually, but I like to just do a search here, store. Now we might need to type in the whole lot. Then from there, when you find Microsoft Store, you want to click on the three dots, and then from here, click onto advanced options. Then scroll down and click on repair and reset. I know this is for Microsoft Teams because Microsoft Store isn't coming up inside of my installed app. So yeah, this is how to do it. Now, while we're inside of settings, we also need to check our Windows update. So check for Windows updates. So as you can see, I've got an update here. I want to go ahead and download and install these and then install everything. Also, we want to check our date and time. So on the left hand side, look for time and language tab, click onto date and time, and make sure these are both enabled. Now if you disable these, you probably got glitches on other apps and programs on your machine, you probably noticed, so make sure these are both enabled. Now the next fix here, the last fix, is to go ahead and reset the Microsoft Store cache. So on your keyboard, click on your Windows key and R. Now you want to type this prompt in here, so it's called WS reset. So then click OK. And now this is going to reset Microsoft Store, and then hopefully one of these fixes has worked for you.